You're looking at the simplest math problem most people get wrong. According to PEMDAS, multiplication will go first. So what is 5 times 3? 15. Good job. Let's bring that 9 down, and let's bring that minus down, and let's bring that division symbol down, and let's bring down that 6 down. Now we're looking at this. According to PEMDAS, division goes first. So what is 15 divided by 6? Let's write that in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 15 over 6. Let's bring that minus sign down, and let's bring down that 9 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 9 over 1 equals 9 does not change to 9. I am erasing this for space. And notice we are subtracting two fractions, and notice the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method, where we're going to draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. I'm using a different color, green. Here is the first wing and the first antenna. So what is 9 times 6? Here's the trick. You have 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you only can use this for the 9 times numbers. And you drop the 6 number, so you see or notice a 5 and a 4. 54. So you write 54 as your answer. 54. 9 times 6 is 54. And then we draw the other wing and the other antenna. What is 1 times 15? 15. And we're subtracting 54 minus 15. So let's do that. 54 minus 15. So we do this. 14 minus 5 is 9, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So 54 minus 15 is 39. 39 over, and we multiply these two numbers. 1 times 6 is 6, so our denominator is 6. So this is the answer, but we have to drop, or not drop, but to simplify that fraction further to its simplest form. And let's write that over here for space. 39 over 6. And we need to simplify this further. 39 over 6. So let's divide 39 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. How about 39 divided by 3? Well, I know that 10 times 3 is 30. 11 times 3 is 33. 12 times 3 is 36, right? 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. And 13 times 3, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3, 39. So 13 goes up here. So this is your answer, but we're going to get a mixed number answer and a decimal answer using long division. So our first answer is 13 over 2. And I am going to write that over here, 13 over 2. Then I'll write the mixed number answer here, and lastly, our decimal answer here. So we're going to use long division. Going back to the blue color. So here's the long division symbol. The 13 goes inside the long division symbol. This is called the dividend. The 2 goes outside the long division symbol. This is called the divisor. So how many times can 2 fit into 13? How many? What is 6 times 2? 6 times 2? 12. That's close enough to 13. So 6 goes there, and we multiply. 6 times 2 is 12, and we subtract. 13 minus 12 is 1. So now we can write our mixed number answer. So 6 is the whole number. The remainder goes on top of this fraction bar, and the 2 goes below the fraction bar, 1 over 2. And the decimal answer is 6.5, right? And we can continue. We can finish this long division. So you can't fit 2 into 1, so we're going to borrow. So we write a 0 there, and I add a decimal after the 13 and the decimal after the 6. So we write the 0, bring it down, give it to the 1. Now 1 becomes 10. How many times can 2 fit into 10? 5 times, and 5 times 2 is 10. And 10 minus 10, 0. And there you go. You got this answer, and this answer. And this answer. And they have names. This is called an improper fraction answer. This is called a mixed number answer. And lastly, this is a decimal answer. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Let me draw you some happy faces. Happy face here, here, happy face here, happy face here next to the Puerto Rican flag. Happy face there, and happy face there. Bye. See you in the next video.